Hey, Puddy, you got a new condo. What's up with your new condo?
Getting a kennel.
Yeah, why not?
You can do it. It's in it. Yeah. Well, she can't see it. Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, you're gonna grow into this pretty quick, I think.
Get your kennel. See the massive size I gave her. Good girl.
You can't see the treats on that.
Right?
Oh, that's too.
Get your kennel.
Good girl.
It's good for her to search around. That's way
Yeah.
better size for her for later. Good girl.
It'll be funny if this is like, that's her ultimate
Get it,
size.
get it.
What size is this considered?
Medium.
So this is a medium now.
This probably will be her lifetime size.
Yeah.
but We don't know.
This might be her final one.
Good. Yes.
She just all of a sudden had a growth spurt.
Get your kennel.
A couple of them.
Get your kennel.
She didn't see it.
I know. She can look for it.
There you go.
It's over there.
There you
she
go.
found it. Good girl. Sit. Yes.
You gotta let her
This
see.
one treat is lasting. Can last a lot. Ready? Get in your kennel.
There you
Good
go.
girl.
Good girl.
Good. Yes. Get in your kennel.
Good girl. She's doing this training with that grinder going
Yeah,
back
it's
there
good.
too.
You find it? Good girl. Good. Yes. Puddy. Right here. This one. Get your kennel.
And she goes.
Good girl. Get in your kennel. All right. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl.
Good girl, Puddy. Good girl.
I'm sure there's no more in there. Yeah.
So she just went in on her own. Oh, the grinder's
Hey.
turning off.
Ooh,
Puddy,
what's that noise?
It's changing now.
It's over.
Right when you got used to it, it's changing.
Her little nose is shiny.
I know.
Good girl.
Good job.
You gotta check it out in
Oh,
there, make sure there's no more
I'll
treats
go in there
in
by myself. I don't need a treat. There
Yeah.
she goes.
Good
Good
girl.
girl. Good girl. You did it. You did it. I bet we could teach you to open and close that door, huh? Could you learn that?
Get in your kennel. Oops.
I'm gonna give you a little more treats.
Good.
She's like, I'll just stay in there.
Good. All right.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good
Good
girl. Good
girl.
girl. You cute little belly. You wanna get back in? You
Yeah.
wanna get back in? Okay. Get in your kennel. Good girl. She went in without me throwing it.
Yep.
Good girl. Okay, let's shut the door. Okay. I don't want to trick you.
No, we don't want to do that too
Okay,
fast.
ready? Get in your kennel. Good.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl, Puddy.
Next I'll make her get in her kennel and then lay down. And then
Good
give her
girl.
treats.